a J series, a J series, a J series, F20, S2000, S2000. What's going on?
We're gonna try to put 2 J series in one car. 2 J's, no shit.
I'm Jonathan, and this is Anti-Purist.
No, so
Could we have that as a tag?
what?
2 JZs?
Yeah.
And just put Z's on them.
Z's.
Actually, that's a Z.
It is.
Yeah, that's a J35Z6.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, these.
All right.
Back to the real stuff.
We posted some information about the swap a little while ago.
You
a year
drunk,
ago.
sitting and talking about it.
Yeah, so people were like, oh man, y'all should have filmed you putting the swap in. So we were modifying the mount some because we're still doing some testing. So we decided that as we put the swap in, we're gonna film it this time for everybody to show how easy it should be with the mount kit. We're gonna go for it and see how quick we can make this car run. It's gonna be adding the coolant, the oil.
Well, you could start it without any coolant.
Yada.
And this is including putting the oil pan on, right?
Yes, this is including
Okay.
the oil.
So you're at 4 hours.
Yep.
I'm gonna Price is Right you. I'm gonna do. Is it closest without going over?
Yeah, that's usually how it works. 359, sorry.
I'm gonna go with 3 hours and 35 minutes.
All right, so where are we at?
Oil pan's on. Obviously, trans is on. All the new hardware is on, and now trans brackets on loosely, and motor mounts brackets are about to go on right now.
right, so part of the reason we decided to do this multiple times is to make sure that everything worked, mounts, everything. So we ran into a couple different things. One, originally we didn't have S2000 throttle
You
body.
just didn't hear that fan.
Yeah, cool. That fan. So,
Dead bugs.
yeah, so when we mocked this up originally, we did not have the S2000 throttle body, which you wouldn't think would make a difference, but it does. It's just enough to throw the bracket off so it doesn't work. And just as I suspected, we've lost a bunch of nuts and bolts, which is why we tell you when you do this swap, make sure you get a complete swap from somebody. Don't try to piece this shit together. I promise it's not worth it. You think you're gonna save money, then that means your time is worth nothing. Just get the complete swap.
So it's in, and I don't even know how much time it's been or anything like that. It's 3:18 now. I don't
I
know.
think that's like,
That's 2 hours exactly.
yeah.
So we're at the 2 hour mark. The motor's in. Pretty much all we're doing, I mean, it's motor, throttle body, all that stuff's done. Radiator just pops right in. But pretty much all we're spending all of our time doing is looking for bolts.
Yep.
I don't know what happened or what the fuck we did. But so we got stuff that's bagged and we bag it all, and I don't know. Some bags broke open, but it's very unusual and we're trying to find it. So we're going through bags of bolts, and yeah, I'm about at just putting something in there, but we'll see. So that's a little quick update. Now we're gonna go back to our not approved music by YouTube and a fan. 518. You're a fucking douche. It hasn't started yet, so you got a second.
So how long did it take?
4 hours.
You don't know if the battery's gonna work either, so months. Are you ready?
If I scream like a little girl, that means stop.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, go. God, that scared the fucking shit
Watch your profanity.
out of me. It's the wipers. Oh my god. Oh, I like literally, I was like, what the fuck is that sound?
Mainly, I hear fuel pump. Oh, you know why? Up with you. We're gonna use this one.
Whatever. Factory Honda used to use. Nobody can hear it because all you hear is the fan going shh. And this is the reason, since it took 4 hours, that's why we time-lapsed it instead of showing you, because nobody wants to watch 4 hours of just guys looking for bolts. Because Kareem hid the bolts everywhere. Yeah, he's like, I got my free fucking lunch. Somehow in the shop, like all of our stuff disappears. Probably because it's dirty, but I don't know. It's weird.
Ready?
Here we go.
Ready. You catch a shovel, it'll tell you the fucking
Huh?
the wipers went off.
No. I mean on this end, but I was just like, ooh,
Watch the fuel.
that's what I'm doing.
Fall. Don't fall. Are you ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Ah. Oh. Sounded different.
Go ahead, but you got me. You got me. I'll give you that one. You got me.
That might be better than the headlamp prank. You did that. If there's another video of you driving it and you did that to me. Cool. That took 4 hours. Half of that was looking for fucking missing bolts.
And you're making a gay bracket that didn't work.
Yeah, it still didn't work, but
Anyway, it started 4 hours and it fought us the whole way because, like I said, for some reason when we tore this apart. How long ago was that? 6 months, 7 months at least? 9? Almost a year.
yep.
So, because we suck. But anyway, it's back, running again, terrorizing the streets.
You know how we do it?
We know how we do it. So at the end of the day, thanks for watching.